Liberty safes, long known for their strength and durability, just got a whole lot tougher. Introducing the newest and most technologically advanced roll-form system in the safe industry. Liberty's engineers just created a new back design using our new roll-form machine and weld cells that increases the strength of Liberty safe boxes. It's pretty cool how they're made. We start with clean coiled steel, flattened and smooth, and fed into Liberty's punch station. With the steel punched and sheared, it is ready to enter Liberty's new roll former. Our previous roll former had 8 bending stations. This one has 20. The extra stations produced a new recessed back design where the weld is moved from the corner edge to the back of the safe. Here's how it's done. The steel enters the roll form machine through a new lead-in guide system. Like a printer feeding sheets of paper, the steel is fed into the roll former exactly the same way every time. As the steel passes through, each station bends a portion of the box with precision until the front frame and back edge reach their proper angle, as demonstrated here. Accuracy of the bend benefits production because everything down the line fits better. We produce a true square box every 2.5 minutes. Technicians clamp the safe and jig weld the corners and bottom joint. The safe box is rotated where the back is inserted and tack welded in place. The safe box now receives the final stage of the process, Liberty's new weld cells. These weld cells are the finest available and lay down a smooth weld all the way around the back. It's the cleanest, strongest weld available and completely penetrates both layers of steel. Most safe companies weld on the edges, then grind most of it off trying to make the edge look good. It may look good, but it sure is easy to peel. Liberty's new weld cells literally penetrate both layers of steel all the way through as shown here on the inside of the safe, making Liberty's 2-piece body the strongest in the industry. Moving the weld inside gives a nice clean edge and increases the compression strength or impact force of the safe. Competitors' welds are weaker because they use older and outdated welding processes, where the weld is only applied to the surface. In this stress test between a competitor's weld and Liberty's, the competitor's weld easily breaks and can be pulled apart by hand, while the weld on the Liberty's does not break. We even performed a pull test and found the weld on the Liberty so strong that the steel ripped rather than the weld breaking. Now that's superior strength compared to the competition. Liberty has been torturing its safes since 1988 to test their design and engineering. We drop them from 200 feet, blow them up with dynamite, and pry, drag, and shoot them to find areas where we can strengthen, so you can rest assured Liberty safes are built tough. And now, with Liberty's new, stronger safe body and design, our safes will withstand the torture tests even better. Liberty Safes, the best built safes on the planet, made in the USA.